Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Gamdias Hebe M1 headset. It comes with virtual 7.1 surround sound and many other features. We'll give you a quick overview on the other side of the intro. Right, so the current headset I use is the Razer Kraken X Ultralight. Now, it's a good headset, don't get me wrong, it has a lot of great features, very comfortable, but it also has a lot of problems. One big problem we covered in the review was that the mic was really subpar. So I'm hoping this one has a better mic, because I would like to be using a better mic. Even though I stream with this one, which is a very good mic, I'm hoping this will still show some sort of, a decent pack for the punch. So we're just gonna cut right into it. It's obviously sealed. Funny story, I ordered this via Amazon. There's a reason it's not in the box, as it is usually. I ordered this via Amazon, and they sent me two. That's right, two headsets in two different boxes with the same tracking number. So the guy who was delivering, he was like, wait, how much did you pay for this? And I was like, the price. And I'll put the price and all that. It should already be down. If not, it will pop up right about now. And it's also be in the description, the link and all that. So he was like, wait, how did you get two? I was like, I don't know. And he said, wait, I can't really do anything because this is two tracking numbers. So I don't want it. I only paid for one, just want one. So in the end, the guy said he can take it back, but he needed to make sure. One was in the Amazon box. One was just as so. So he said he needs to make sure that the one in the Amazon box and this one was the same model, and I didn't get get cut out of anything. So he ended up asking me to cut it open right there. That's why we don't have the Amazon box. But I think Gamdias maybe liked me so much they sent me an extra headset. That would be cool. So this design is very popular in the budget headset range, the metal or aluminum. Ooh, it's heavy. It's definitely heavier than the other one. The metal frame and the elastic headband with the soft thing. Cool thing about this, compared to what the most budget stuff we come across, leather, not plastic leather, not leather-like, actual leather, similar to the ear cups in the Razer Kraken X Ultralight. And I've been spoiled, so I really looked and found, and I wanted to make sure this was in fact leather. So there's some sort of tension it gives you, so it adjusts. I had a, I want to say it was the Red Gear Cosmo, sorry. Red Gear Cosmos. Very similar design, but it had a plastic leather earmuffs and it tore itself apart. And when you're talking about Indian weather, you got to be ready for the sweat, the spicy ears. So I'm looking for, this feels very comfy. It's very soft. I like how it feels. Now you got RGB. Well, let me put it this way. You got colored lights. You don't really have any control over what light shows up. It just cycles through the colors. There's nothing you can do about it. It's just, so you have RGB in a sense. And this is the mic I'm hoping to be very blown away by. And it's a detachable. Oh, yeah, there you go. It's not detachable. It's like push it in and push it out. I'm feeling like I'll break it if I do it too much. But it is cool to have that. And it's supposedly quite decent. I looked at some reviews before buying it. Obviously, if I'm spending money on it, you guys know me. I'm not going to spend money on something that I'm not completely sure about. So I did look at it. This is an old headset. Don't get me wrong. This is not a brand new thing on top of the line. Gamdias might have some newer stuff that's even better than this. It could be possible. But the design itself screams, I want to say, the typical budget gaming headset design. You don't have any sort of adjustments you can do. You can't tilt or flex it. But to be fair, the other one didn't really offer that much, and that's coming from a company that's designed mostly for games. And Gamdias is actually one of those companies that's growing at an exponential rate, as far as I know. They're doing all sorts of things. They have mechanical keyboards. They have all sorts of stuff, So I'm gonna just quickly put this on. So before I do that, let me just cover this. It comes with a remote. It has the light, has the vibration on and off, and the mute button. I've grown to love mute buttons The reason being, when I'm in a meeting, sometimes I can't click the mute button itself in the meeting software because it hangs a lot sometimes because the meeting software is utter crap, especially, I'm looking at you, Microsoft Teams. But anyways, I like using the button so that way I don't have to worry about it. The Razer Kraken X, I love that button it has. The placement is right behind my ear, so I just go and it's off. But the issue there again is sometimes I forget about it and I keep talking to my friends and they're like not responding, so I just think they're ignoring me. Turns out this time it wasn't ignoring, they just couldn't hear me, so you know. But that could also be possible. So it does come with the remote. I've never had a headset that vibrates, so I'm kind of keen to see that. Alright, so when I wear it, it's obviously a lot more bulkier than this one. I would venture to say this is about 4 times as heavy as this one. I will give you the comparison things because I'll be doing a comparison video later down the line. And I'll be doing a full review of this headset. Noise cancelling, I want to say, is alright. It's alright. I mean, I can hear myself pretty well, even with these. I might be screaming, I don't know. The cable itself, I will say, I know I will hate these cables. I hate that cable, the Kraken one, because it gets tangled up. This one, I think I'll hate more because I have a feeling it's going to get tangled up and then it might probably break because it has this plastic coating. That's why you can see like a little bit of like a shine on it, and I don't think that's going to handle too well over long use. So I'm going to be interesting to see how it is. It also has a volume rocker up and down, just to mention that. But that's it for the overview, really, and I will be doing a very detailed review and a run-through of this thing with the software and tell you how it works. I'll also be doing a video of comparison between the two headsets because this comes in about $10 to $15 cheaper than that in my pricing, for us at least, over here in India. So I don't know about you guys. I will give you the prices and everything in the video, and the description has all the links necessary. That's it though for this video. I'm RD Techie. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and as always, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. And if you do leave, make sure you wash your hands when you get back and wear a damn mask. But that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.